What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of this watch, which is my wristwatch that I have purchased on Amazon. So basically it comes in this package right here, so I'm just gonna unbox it, let you guys see what's inside the product. So it basically comes in like this. So right here we have some user manual, you can see looking like this. Right here guys, we have the charger right here, charging cable, which is gonna charge your device. So let me just look carefully on it right here. So we have, this is connection right here, just can charge it, and this is the USB connection. So you're looking something like this. So this is the face of it, looking pretty neat, as you guys can see right there. You basically click and we click into place, and you can basically charge it from the USB connection. You can see that this is the time right here. You can basically navigate through this. So today's step, you can basically monitor. You can basically go through, see the time right there. You can see your exercise, heart rate, and those things. So you can basically use a stopwatch, sleep time. You can basically go to settings. You can play and pause music. You can use a stopwatch. A lot of things you can basically use with this watch right here. As you can see, you can go to settings, you can put on screen brightness and system settings, and a lot of things I can do right here. Rise to wake, you can set it as on, as you can see right there. So, and you can basically replace this band, so you can basically take it out easily, and you can put in different colors that you want. This is the watch right here on my hand right there. As you can see, it looking pretty neat, so it fit very comfortably, as you can see. And you can basically use it as rise to wake when you're using the time and things like that. So that's how it look on your hand. Very neat, very comfortable, and yeah, I loving it.